Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create brainstorm presentations using the Canva app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open Canva, then go to the home page. And at the home page on the top, you will see these different content types. And go to presentations, and at the presentation section, just swipe to the right and you will find the brainstorm presentations section. When you tap on it, it's going to open up the presentation tab, and here you can always add your own details, upload your own images, add text and any different design elements. I have different videos for those, but now for presentations, in most of the cases, as we know it, the most important part of the presentation are the informations that we are providing. So in most of the cases, we just want to get on with the presentation and create a presentation with the clear informations and don't want to waste a lot of time on designing it. That's where the Canva presentation templates come in. These are very professional, beautiful presentations made by professional designers, and with these you can just add them to your design and fill them up with your informations, and you will get a beautifully designed presentation in no time. So to use one of these presentations, here on the left side at the presentation, at the templates tab, you will see all these templates, different templates, and you can search them. You will see the first image of the presentation, but when you tap on them, you will see all the different slides. And also on this list, you can see the number of slides that the presentation has, but it's not that important because you can always add or remove slides from it, so you don't have to match your own slide requirements. Some of the presentations are videos, as you can see, which are also very good. When you have a presentation that you like, you just tap on it. Let's see this one. And then just tap on apply all 21 pages, or the number of pages that your presentation has. And then it's going to open up at the presentation tab. And here you can just edit the presentations, add your own informations and details. You can change the pictures and you can really customize it to infinity. You can do anything with these slides. All the different elements in the slides are objects that you can edit, move around, push it, jump it, scroll it, twist it, everything. So it's very easy to edit. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.